Brian Fox with Geneva Financial Home Loans, and you're on the ride with a mortgage guy. Today is Friday, make sure it's Frugal Friday. Talks about how I can save you money through the mortgage process, and one of the ways is, we don't need any inspections for the loan process unless it's a VA loan you're doing, and we require then a termite inspection. That's just VA guidelines. Now, a lot of banks and credit unions out there, they want to see a home inspection for any and all types of loan programs. And a home inspection is really just for your benefit. But if you're having to turn in a home inspection for FHA or VA, and your company, your bank or credit union is requiring that, then they may make you have all those repairs done before you close, even if they're just cosmetic repairs. So it doesn't make much sense there. So, us not having to have a home inspection being turned into us, or anything besides a termite inspection for VA only, it just allows us to have it where you can make the decision yourself if it's a repair you want the seller to try to have done or not. So, number one way is, don't have to have any inspection except for the termite inspection for VA. It is a good idea to have the home inspection. Your realtor is going to tell you this as a buyer. So if you and your buyer see that there's some structural things that are wrong there that the seller needs to take care of, then you and your realtor will get together and you'll submit an addendum to the listing agent who represents the seller and say, per the home inspection that's attached, these things need to be taken care of before we close or go any further. So here's another way where I help you save money. Most of the time, people don't want to close until 30 days down the road. Very few times they want to close in 2 weeks, even though I can do that for FHA, VA, and rural housing. FHA, VA, and conventional, not rural housing, because rural housing has to be able to review the file, no matter if you're a bank, credit union, or a mortgage bank like me. So this allows us to, if you're doing a 30-day closing, to wait until you're satisfied with the results of the home inspection for your purposes only, and make sure that if the seller needs to take care of some things, that they're agreeing to take care of it in writing before we order the appraisal or title work. So we can do that. We can wait in the process and still send the file to underwriting, knowing that if you're happy with the inspections, you'll let us know, and then we'll order that appraisal as soon as possible after that. So it helps you save money if you don't pay for an appraisal, which is paid for up front, just like any other inspection, and we don't run up a bill with the attorney to do a title search. Then if you decide you don't want that house because something's wrong the seller won't take care of, then you haven't run up those bills and it saved you money. So give me a call here. I can go over more ideas, more ways to help you save you money, more frugal ways there. But 803-446-3270, 803-446-3270, right here in South Carolina. Or if you know what type of loan program you have no other questions, you can just apply online at brianfoxworth.com. That's brianfoxworth.com. You're going to click that apply now, some shade of red banner underneath my picture. Again, it says apply now, and that way an email is sent right to me once you complete it, and I can review the credit report, know what to look for on the application, to ask for what kind of documents I need to go forward, and it really makes a lot of sense. And here's one last frugal tip. I've gone over this several times in other videos. If you've never seen my videos, I'll go over it with you again. One of the main ways I help you save money is I go over and I receive and review all of your documents before I give you a pre-approval letter. Now, if you're paid a regular pay stub, I have 2 pay stubs I need, last 2 bank statements, last 2 years tax returns and W-2s, a copy of your driver's license. And the reason I ask for all those things is because the underwriter's going to ask for all those things. So why shouldn't I ask for it up front and make sure there's no surprises before you get into a contract? Because if you get into a contract and you can't make the loan work because all of a sudden something doesn't work, sometimes the seller doesn't want to give back your earnest money, which could be anywhere from $500 to $1,000, depending on what you put down. So again, give me a call, 803-446-3270. I would love to answer any more of your questions. This one a little bit longer, but saving money sometimes takes time. Have a great day, y'all. Enjoy this fall weather. Bye.